Good morning, all of you. The continuation of yesterday. See, the sum is the exercise 1.2, fourth sum. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. I did not satisfy the yesterday the explanation of this sum. So, see, what is this is number, what is the number? This is like 7 into 11 into 13 is the one number, 13 is one number. Under multiplication of any numbers, the total result is single number. Like this, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Like this, what is number? 1 into 2, 2 into 6. At the same time, 5 4s are 28, 120. 120. This is a single number. Like this. Therefore, the 13 is common from two numbers. Therefore, 7 into 11 plus 1. That is equal to 13 into 7 into 11 is equal to 7. 11s are 77 plus 1. That is equal to 13 into 78. 78. That is called goes to, therefore 13 into 78 2. This is even number. The every even number exactly divisible by 2. That is 39 into 2. See, here is any composite number. What is meaning of the composite number? 2 or more. You take any number. 2 or more factors is called composite number. For example, every even number is composite number. Every even number is composite. Every even number are composite number. Except 2. Why? Because the 2 is prime number. Only the factors of 2 is 1 and itself. This is only except 2. Other even numbers, all even numbers are composite numbers. Therefore, at the same time, least composite number is 4. Why? Because 1, 2, 4. Here the factors of 4 is 3 factors. This is the composite number. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest composite number, like this. Therefore, here is C. Therefore, 13 into 3 into 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 13 is prime number. The already is 3 numbers is under. Compared to this number, this how many factors there? Above 3. This is like this number is composite number. And see, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. This is one number treated one number. This is two numbers. For example, see, from two numbers 5 is common. What is 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. That is like 5 into. What is 5? Like this. See, 5 into. Any zero number, not zero number, therefore 7 6 are 42. Therefore 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Plus 1. At the same time, 5 into, see, 42 into 24. 42 into 24, like, therefore 42 into 24. Here this, the 42, 24s are, therefore 5 into, therefore 1008 plus 1. That is equal to 5 into 1009. 1009. Here is, this is more factors. This is more factors of that. Therefore, see, this number is also composite number. Next, go to non-terminating recurring decimals in rational numbers. Non-terminating. What is meaning of non-terminating? the remainder not 0. The remainder is not 0. The remainder is not 0. Non-terminating and recurring decimals. Recurring decimals in rational number is not repeating. Repeating and not repeating. See, for example, you take the do this. Let us take 1.7. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. This is a fraction form. This is the rational number. Therefore, 7 1 like this. 0.0. 7 ones are 7 like this 3. Point is also there. 0 at 0. Therefore, 7 3s are 7 4s are 28 like 2. Point is there. 0 is there. 7 2s are 14 like 6. 0 is. See, 7 8 are 56 by 4. See, 0. 7 5s are 35. So 5. Next, 0. 7 7s are 49. 1.0. 7 1s are 7. 3. This is like repeated. See here this, therefore 1 by 7. 1 by 7 means in the fraction form convert into decimal form. What is 0.1428571 repeated. See, this is repeated. 142857 is repeated. Mali again 142857. 142857. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. The 6 digits repeated. How many times repeated is up to so on. The simplest form of therefore 0.142857 142857 142857 means 0.142857 bar. Bar means, see, this is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. Recurring means repeated. Recurring means repeated. Non-terminating repeated. Non-terminating repeated. How many digits are repeated? 6 digits are repeated. How many times? Up to so on. Up to so on. See, this is like best example of 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is the non-terminating decimals in the rational number. Non-terminating. Go to the do this. Write the following rational numbers as decimal form and find out the block of repeating digits in the quotient. Repeating digits in the quotient. Repeating digits. For example, see, take 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Already we are discussed. What is the theorem number 1.3? Theorem number 1.23 means 543. Theorem number 1.3. What is say the theorem number 1.3? The denominator portion is 2 power n into 5 power m. The denominator, the portion is 2 power n into 5 power m. The total fraction is terminating. Otherwise, non-terminating. Here is the denominator portion. What is the denominator portion? 3. The denominator portion not in 2 power n into 5 power m. Not in 2 power n 5 power m. That means this is like go to non-terminating. See like this, for example, see 3 1.0. 3 3 is 9 1. Again 0 3 9. Again 0 9. See, that means 3 3 3 3 3 3. That means 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. 3 bar means there are 3 digits. How many times repeated? So many times repeated. That is the simple form is 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. This is like non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Like this. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. That, what is the meaning of denominator portion? Denominator portion is 7. Here is 7. What is the condition of 1.3 theorem? 1.3. The denominator portion 2 power n into 5 power m. 2 power n into 5 power m. The total fraction is terminating. Otherwise, non-terminating. Here is not in the 2 power n into 5 power m. The denominator portion not in 2 power n into 5 power n. Here for example see, go to division method. Actually not with no. See, write the following rational numbers as decimal form and out of the block of repeating digits in the quotient. Okay, right? 7 2 compared to 2, 7 is big. You take point 0, 7 2s are 14, 6 0, 7 8 are 56, 4 0, 7 5s are 35, 5 0, 7 7s are 49, 1 0. Therefore 7 1s are 7, 3. That is 3 0. Therefore 7 4s are 28, 2 0. 7 2s are like this. Here is repeating like this. Next, what is the this is a non-terminating repeating. See, this is the simplest form of 0.2857114. The 6 digits is repeated. 0.285714, 285714, 285714, 285714 up to so on. The 6 digits are repeated. That means the short form of 0.285714 bar. This is like the remaining 2 is your part, that is homework like this. I think you can do, otherwise I explain on the next class. Go to theorem number 1.5. Theorem number 1.5. What is the theorem number 1.5? See, let x is a rational number. Let x is a rational number. What is the rational number? X is equal to p by q. Be a rational number. Be a rational number. Be a rational number. Be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q. What is q? Q means denominator. Q means denominator. Like this denominator portion. Q means denominator. P by q. P by q. Q means denominator portion. Q is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. 2 power n into 5 power m. Where n and m are non-negative integer. What is meaning of non-negative integer? Positive numbers. What is the meaning of non-negative integer? Means positive numbers, positive integers. Then x has a decimal expansion which is non-terminating repeating. Okay, right. Go to example 5. Like the examples of before 1.5 theorem. 1.5 theorem, the denominator portion not in the 2 power n into 5 power n. What is the theorem number 1.5? The theorem number 1. Says denominator portion not in 2 power n into 5 power m. Not in 2 power m into 5 power m. That is called non-terminating. See, using the above theorem, what is meaning of above theorem? Just you discuss the theorem. What is the theorem? Theorem number 1.5. Without actual division. Without actual division means this is for example 3 by 5. Therefore 5 3. This is not weight. Therefore see, the following rational numbers are actual division state whether the following rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimals. What is meaning repeating? Recurring. See, for example, you take any example without actual division. What is meaning of actual division? This is the actual division. Without actual division, what is meaning of without actual division? This is like the denominator portion in the prime factorization. The fundamental arithmetic. Exercise 2. Go to the exercise 2. Represent the following additions on the number. Already we have discussed the above conditions. Once repeated, no problem. Represent the following additions of the number line. Okay, I solve the only 2. Choose the 2. After remaining 2 is that is our part, like homework. Therefore, first of all, 5 plus of minus 2. 5 plus of minus 2, that is equal to 5 plus into minus 2, that is equal to result. Go to draw the number line. Therefore 0 1 2 3 4, 5, 6. Okay, right, enough. What is 5 is positive number. Okay, you take the positive number 5. Minus 2. What is meaning of minus 2? Subtract. Subtract means compared to that number 5 towards left side. Towards left side. Therefore, how many steps? 2 steps. 1, 2. Therefore, like this. The average, but the result is 3. The result is 3. At the same time, see. So I take one more example. For example, see 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. Using the number line. Using the number line. The 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, using the number line. Like. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right. 4, what is 4? This is positive number, this is positive number. Choose okay? This is positive number. Like minus 7. Minus 7 compared to 4, minus 7 means towards left side. Towards left side of the 4. Therefore, how many steps? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, towards the result is minus 3. The result is minus 3. Prime factorization method. Okay, na? Prime factorization method. The denominator portion is. For example, say 16 by 125. 16 by 125. Therefore, 16 by. What is meaning of 125 means 5 cubed. Yes or no? 5 into 5. 25 into 5. 125. This is what is this? The denominator portion. No. See. In the denominator portion, therefore, 2 power n over r anything by 5 power m over r, the common is the multiplication of 2 power n into 5 power m. Whatever it may be, like this, whatever it may be, c 5 power. This is terminating. This is terminating. See, for example, second. What is the second? Therefore, 25 by 32. 25 by 32. Therefore, 25. Okay. We do not discuss the numerator, only denominator. What is the denominator? 32. 32 means 2 power 5. Therefore, 2 power 5 means they would see 2 into 2, 5 times under multiplication with the same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, right. 2 power. Base 2 power. What is anything by 2 power? And what is the denominator portion? 2 power something. 2 power something. The total number is terminating. What is meaning of terminating? Already well known to you. Remainder 0. For example, we have doubt. See, 32, 25. Compared to 25, that is big. 0.0. How many 32s? 5, 6, 7, 7. 32 sevens. 224. 224. 32 sevens. 224. What is remaining? 6. 2.0 also. Again, 32 8s. 256. See, here is the 32. 250.7. What is 224 by 260? 32 8s. 256 by 4.0. 32 twos, 32 ones, 32 remaining 8, 0, 32 twos, 64. What is 60? Again 0. What is 5? 32 fives. 5 twos 10. Okay, 160. 32 fives, 160. What is the number? C. 25 by 32 is equal to 0.78125. It's like a remainder 0. Remainder 0 means terminating. Remainder 0 means terminating. Remainder 0 means terminating. Right? Go to C. Next. Here, for example, 100 by 81. 100 by 81. See, first of all, the denominator changes to prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means 81. 81 means 9 square. What is meaning of 9 square? 3 power 4. 3 power 4. 3 power 4. What is the condition? According to theorem number 1.3, the denominator position 2 power n into 5 power m, the total fraction is terminating, otherwise not terminating. What is this? The denominator position 3 power. 3 is not, therefore the total number is non-terminating. The total number is non-terminating. Non-terminating. The total number is non-terminating. See, the 41 by 75 also, therefore 41 by 75. What is meaning of 75? 4 by 75. See, 15 5s are. At the same time, 41 by 15 means 3 into 5, already 5 is there. That is called 41 by 3 into 5 square. 3 into 5 square. What is the terminating? Terminating means the denominator portion. What is the prime factorization? 2 power n into 5 power n. The total fraction is terminating, otherwise not terminating. Here is the denominator portion 3 into 3 is entered. Now this portion is non-terminating. Non-terminating. What is meaning of non-terminating? Already I proved. I solved this like this. Go to example 6. Write the decimal expansion. Write the decimal expansion of the following rational numbers without actual division. Without actual division means, okay, this is finished. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Remaining 2, 3, 4 is your part, like homework. Therefore 5 plus 2, 5 plus of minus 2, 5 plus of minus 7 is your part. Exercise 2, second Roman. Computing the following. What is meaning of computing? Computing or find or solve the similar meanings. Computing means calculate or addition or subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever maybe, that is called computing. Okay, 7 plus 4 already well known to you, 11. At the same time, second, what is second? 8 plus of minus 3. What is 8 plus of minus 3? 8 plus into minus 3. The 4 conditions under see, plus into plus, same. Therefore same signs under multiplication, minus into minus, that is equal to plus. Plus. Opposite, under multiplication opposite, the result is minus. Therefore plus into minus, that is equal to minus. Therefore minus into plus, the result is minus. The 4 operations is very important. Remember that. Therefore 8 plus or minus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus into minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. At the same time, third. What is the third? 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Already well known to you. Therefore see, 14 plus of minus 6. 14 plus of minus 6, that is equal to 14. Plus into minus 6, that is equal to 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 5, what is 5? Same. 7 plus 9 plus or minus 7 is the same. See, any different? No different. All are same. Like 9 plus of minus 7 is equal to 9. 9 plus into minus 7, that is equal to 2. Go to 7. What is 7? 13 plus of minus 15. 13 plus of minus 15. What is 13? Minus into plus minus 15, that is equal to minus 2. See, the process all. Therefore 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 also same, similarly same solution, similarly same process. Okay, we go to the different. See, for example, minus 2 plus of minus 3. minus 2 plus of minus 3, that is equal to same minus 2 plus into minus 3, that is equal to minus 5. See, 2 minus of minus 7, 2 minus of minus 7, that is equal to 2 plus minus into minus plus 7, that is equal to 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Same, one more, minus 5 minus of minus 3, minus 5 minus of minus 3, that is equal to minus 5, right, minus into minus plus 3, minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2, minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Same, one more, see, minus 7 minus of plus 9 minus of 2 is equal to what? Same process, minus 7 minus into plus minus 9 minus nothing is symbol, this is plus symbol also, therefore plus into minus, therefore minus 7 minus 9 minus 2, what is minus 7 minus 2, therefore minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 minus 9 minus 18, so many, the examples are so many, right, go to see one more example, like this is, you take for example 7 minus into minus plus 3 minus into minus plus 5 plus into minus 3, here plus minus into minus plus 8 plus 0 into anything is 0 into under multiplication with 0 is a negative number or positive number, at any number, at big number or small number or negative number or whatever it may be, multiplication to 0, the result always is 0. Okay, already well known to you once. Therefore see, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15 minus 3 12, 12 plus 8 20 is the final answer. As one checking 10 18 23 minus 23, right fact. Go to the subtraction of integers. Right, the study of the subtraction of given below. This is like one pattern. Like see, 7 minus 3 4, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 0 7, 7 minus of minus 1. Therefore 7 minus into minus plus 1, that is equal to 8. 7 minus of 2, like this above process. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore 7 minus of minus 3, therefore 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, therefore 7 minus of minus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Like this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is this is like one type of pattern. Next, go to the, when you subtract 3 from 6, what is meaning of when you subtract 3 from 6? Like 6 minus 3, this meaning. What is this meaning? Subtract 3 from 6. Subtract 3 from 6 means 6 minus 3. You move left on the number line, already well known to you. See, 3 from 6, what is the subtract? Subtract 3 from 6, that means 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Use the number line, okay, you draw the number line like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Therefore, 0 towards the negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus up to so on. What is the number? 6 minus 3, 6 minus, first of all you go to the 6, okay, this is 6. The minus means compared to you take any number towards left side. What is the meaning of towards left side? This means decreasing. Therefore 6 minus 3 means this is 1 2 3. Therefore 6 minus 3, this is the result. Okay, for example, when you subtract minus 1 from 6, that means 6 minus of minus 1, that is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. See, use the number already, this type of we are discussed. See, what is 6? First of all 6, what is the 6? 6 is therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, like 7. See, 6, you go to the 6, okay, 6. Minus of minus means plus, minus of minus means plus. 6 plus 1 means 1 step, means this is 1 step, 7. Like this. See, what is the condition? Each time you subtract a means you take a number a, positive integer, you move left on the number line. What is meaning of move left? Means the subtract means left. Left. Therefore, each time you subtract a positive integers or a negative integer, you move right on the number line. This is very important. Positive integer, negative integers. The remaining is tomorrow we discussed. Second, third Roman. Find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Like find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find the 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. What is the 5 rational numbers? For example, see 1. Therefore, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. 5 rational numbers. 2. In between. 5 rational numbers. Like this, let us take x1, x2. First of all, you take, therefore, mean. First of all, you find mean. 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Once again, this is the first x1. Next, 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. That is called, see, what is the LCM of numerator? 2. Therefore, 2 by 1, 2. Plus 2 by 2 is equal to 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Whole divided by 2 is already there. Therefore, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 by 4. This is x2. Like. Next also, the repeated 1 plus 5 by 4 by 2. That is equal to 2 is 2. What is the LCM of numerator? 4. 4 by 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 4 divided by 4, 1 into 5, 5. That is equal to 9 by 4 whole divided by 4. That is equal to 9 by 4. The 2 by 1 is reciprocal 1 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 8. By this is x3. Like again 9 by 8. 1 plus 9 by 8 whole divided by 2. Divided by 2. Same. What is the LCM of numerator? 8. Therefore, 8 by 1 is equal to 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. That 2. What is 2 is 2. Therefore, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 by 8. That is equal to 17 by 8 into 1 by 2. The finally 17 by 16. 17 by 16. This is x4. Similarly, what do you want next? What is the result? Again 1 plus 17 by 16 whole divided by 2. See, 2 is 2. What is the LCM of numerator? 16. Numerator 16 by 1 is equal to 16. 16 into 1 is equal to 16 plus 16 by 16 is equal to 1. 1 into 17 is equal to 17. That like 17. Therefore, 16 plus 17 is equal to 33. 33 divided by 16 whole divided by 2. That is equal to 33 by 16 into 2. Sorry. That is equal to 33 divided by 32. Now this is x5. See, you find x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Alright. Now you write what is the 5 rational numbers in between 1 and 2. Therefore 3 by 2. Next 5 by 4. Next 9 by 8. Next 17 by 16. Next 33 by 32. Then 2. The 5 rational numbers. This is like Next, see, this is 1 in between 1 and 2. Okay, now what you 5 rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, go to fourth sum. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. This is like, this part is yours homework. You will try. You can okay, right? You cannot. I explain the doors. No problem. I explain the next class. This is you. First of all, you try. Same process. Same. This is like above process. Above process. Go to 5. The represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on the number line. Okay. Right. 8. What is the numerator? 8. You draw the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, see, what is the fraction? 8 by 5. 8 by 5. You take the division 5. 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. The 5 by 5 means 1. Already 1. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Sorry, 8 by 5. 8 by 5. This is 1. Next, minus 8 by 5. Minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5. Minus 5 by 5 means minus 1. Minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Sorry, 8 by 5. This is represent on the number line. 8 by 5 and see, this is minus 8 by 5 minus the plus 8 by 5. Oh, sorry, this is 5. This 5. This 7 by 5. Go to 6. Express the following rational numbers as decimal numbers. As decimal numbers. You see, observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the rational numbers. The rational number convert into decimal number. What is the express in the following rational numbers as decimal numbers? As decimal numbers. Right, you see, this is the rational form. The rational form convert into decimal form. Given the rational form, therefore 242 divided by 1000, that is like 242 divided by, therefore what is meaning of 1000? The 1000 means 10 cubed. Whatever maybe this fraction. Therefore 242 divided by 1000. What is meaning of 1000? You take 0.242. 0.242. Why? Because how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now before 3 decimal, before 3 decimal point, before 3 decimals, point after 3 decimals, like only 3 numbers, so 242, that like 0.242. Go to this is also rational form. Okay, this is even number, this is even number. Any cancellation? For 150, 175, 177, 250. Therefore 150, 170. Okay, right. Like this. Any cancellation? Okay, right. This is like hold the sum. Go to the 2.5. 2.5. What is 2.5? Go to the long division method. 2.045 20. 0. Therefore, that is a 2.5 means 0.4. You see, directly you tell the this is terminating and non-terminating. So after we are discussed, no problem. Okay, right. 4. 4 means, see, this is also long. Go to the long division method. 4 2s 8, 3, 5. Yes or no? Yes. 4 8 are 32, 3.0. 4 sevens are 28, 2, 0, 4 5s 20, 4 5s 20, when 0. Therefore, what is the decimal number? 28.75, 28.75. Next, this is also 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is directly you say this is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Why? Because the denominator portion is 3. For example, right? Therefore, 3, 2.0, 3 6 are 18. Next 2.0, 3 6 are 18. Again 2 at the same time 20. 3 6 are 18. The process is continuation up to so on. Like this is like 0.66666 up to so on. In the shortest form 0.6 bar. It is like 0.6 bar. The what is meaning of bar? Bar means only the 6 is repeated to many times. Many times. How many times? So many times. That is like. Write the decimal expansion of the following rational numbers without actual division. What is meaning of without actual division? Means see like this. Right, without actual division. See, you take 1, therefore 35 divided by 50, that is equal to the 50. 50 means 10 into 5. 10 into 5, that is called 10 means 2 into 5 into 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. Okay, right, well and good. That is equal to 35 is follows. Therefore, 35 divided by what is prime factorization of 50 means 2 into 5 square. 2 into 5 square. That 2 into what is meaning of 2? 2 means power 1. Therefore, 2 power 1 into 5 square. 2 power 1 into 5 square like this. Therefore, 2 power n into 5 power m. Yes or no? The denominator question is the prime factorization of same. This is like the total number is terminating. The total number is terminating. The total number is terminating. The total number is the total fraction. The total fraction is terminating. See, once go to actual division method. For example, you go to the actual division method. This is wrong or right? Check it once. Therefore, 50, 35. Compared to 50, 35 is big. 35 is small. Therefore, 0.0. How many? 57s are 5 7s are 35. 57s are 35. 0. What is the result? 0.7. 0.7. This is yes or no? Right. Go to 21 by 25. 21 by 25. 21 by 25 means 21 by 25 is equal to 21. The 25 means 5 square. 5 square. What is the denominator portion? Anything by 2 power n or ORR. Anything by 5 power m ORR. The combination of 2 power n into 5 power whatever may be. This is R ORR, this is ORR, this is whatever may be. The denominator portion like this R ORR, like this ORR, like this. The total fraction is go to the terminating. See, the total fraction is terminating. The total fraction is terminating. See, once check it once. See, 25, 21. Therefore, compared to 21, no, 25 is bigger. No, not. Okay, you point 0. 25 8s 200. Yes or no? 4 4 therefore 10.0. 25 4s 100. Okay, this is like remainder 0. Therefore, what is the decimal form? 0.84. 0.84. This is the remainder 0 like this. Sorry, see. The denominator portion 5 power or 2 power or the combination of 2 power n into 5 power, whatever it may be, that is called terminating. 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is also terminating. Yes, like this. See, 7 by 8. What is meaning of 7 by 8? 7 by 8 means 7 by 8 means in terms of 2 cubed. 5 by 2 cubed. What is this is like in the form of anything by 2 power n. This is like. For example, you take your actual division method. 7.0 8 8 are 64 60. Yes or no? 7 8 jar 4.085 is 4, 8 first 40 c. Therefore 7 by 8 is what is the decimal form? 0.857. The remainder 0, the total fraction is terminating.